I was going to shout now, Kofi Akplaoo, and as he said, Nena, a wapaso. Now, me and I say, over Kaya, on the very same day now, a helicopter crash this year in Ipa 8 FM Mushroom around Bear and Rare 4. Kofi Akplaoo 18 Echo program, Multimedia TV. Our already was an amount for a greedy fresh, a 7 hour fresh, a short bin, Matu bin, so I say, will be a politics at on channel. Kofi Akplaoo he is 32. It me a can on national TV, Multimedia TV. MIT says or no crash na in fact, it is not an exceptional case, Manu. And the reason was that in the they also deserved equal attention. And I feel so no no the break and can say independent film. And so I had the reason why I say we treating as an exceptional case. More extraordinary attention being near the because normal people will be able what I say Pratt and grade 16 people who accident ebony who call any baby lumba what I say. Into now Kofi Akplaoo had issues. Aside that Kofi Akplaoo say the very location any incident in the sea and crash site on and also actually saying Yamen die and it is telling something to the Mahama administration any or Momaka. As a baby as you go see a cocoa farm forest mono. It is telling President Mahama said next time Maku will deceive you. And so in all, which I Kofi Akplaoo and come here as well party sympathy, it is a sympathy say Ubiebu and I say Mutala nominate or Manu Witino or Beheda I grieve I pretend yes crocodile tears also nominate the video because of compare one or Munchi Ubia it was a normal case.
Yakupon one eye you. Oh, maybe I said to go here. Oh, because here is Eva. It's cocoa foam. Cocoa foam.
A way cocoa foam.
Cocoa foam. Cocoa foam. Cocoa foam no dada woman. Ah, oh, maybe I not see. You're the caca, you're the caca, Dutch. Say, it's cocoa foam now, must see cocoa foam, or chant to watch cocoa foam, Boku Fadu.
Kofi, it's what also the politics.
The politics. Make us some Nabisi Asamso. As some say. Some to
the conspiritual realm.
May we some ten be see Yamina Menesi. Tinakupon, also catch us a candle. Nakupon so a corner by health minister. Anna or Marcelica crabby tone or palm on any rushing in the Bokumasi. Till God was telling so by your health minister now. Sir, all the health projects in Iran, continue them.
Now we have asked about Kofi Akplaoo any attacks are ever easy. Now, we don't want a camp of 4 key people are Omunano, Ebo, Magri, 30. What I say, Kofi Akplaoo, I say, and yes, one more professional crowd. These 4 people, Kwesi Pratt, Vim Lady, Kum Chacha, and I feel so Hopeson Abe, Omunina videos, and one summer or more air car, I was again 1 by 1. Now, yes, I see every Vim Lady air car in relation to Kofi Akplaoo and someone, or also 8 kind. Now, people did me betray on Facebook was saying, united in morning, there should be no politics whatsoever. Kofi Akplaoo, shame on you. We film lady dear, brief, simple, and fair. Now, I know, and I Kwesi Pratt, or also Nebufuya, and we see Kwesi Pratt here, and some are Oyusu, anyhow, we see attacking Kofi Akplaoo concerning this video. One day, we called personal. Now, we have a fan on young or 90, you will see practice, so it me air fast and we
should make the point that we will play this video of this politician.
We shall.
But we play it as a mark of revulsion.
Yes. We
are revolted against what he has said and done. You
know? Not necessarily to support and spread it.
No, I mean, so we should be pardoned.
Yeah.
I mean, such charlatans need to be exposed. And the only way to expose them is to make their own words paint them for who they are. You understand? So it's painful to play such tapes on a morning like this on television. Very painful. Ideally, we should not play it at all. And we know that.
Yeah.
We understand our responsibilities as a media house and so on. But on the other hand, if such persons are not exposed, they will continue to carry on. And who knows? One day, because we didn't know, we may decide to make them leaders. So we do this as our duty to the state, as our duty to the people of Ghana to expose these politicians for who they are. And that is why we play this video. It is not an endorsement of the charlatanry. You understand?
Right.
But it is meant to expose, to open up discussion, and to tell people that there are limits to their behavior.
But then I would say, what the Hopeson so air camp on UTV. Hopeson HMA, we are also Kufia Palu, the sentiment, and I said, what share in Kufia Palu ideas and in belief said, we will pre crash any exceptional case via and that I had a new because or one chair will be on. And Hopeson essay young come out here said, say any panel. The actual families we edit any pavilion, a home prince, and browse. We biara watching and thinking. It is a Kufia Palu. I was an Indian Hopeson very briefly.
Metiana. See, I can say in answer no may monitor program no on Facebook. You see, more de politics and drama. At the end, you may be no more mobile. Near Ebia ever tone. Then you say, you never yet triple. Oh, I could be a Sibia, make can you be able to shame me?
Maybe you coming be so very interesting.
Just say, you shame because of politics.
Really?
Hey,
the man so.
Oh yeah.
The man so.
Well,
time.
Yankupon Panjo na eja onse sawadwene ewo sansam na wo kyerɛ no Yankupon emfanjo na onse sawadwene wo because enyefe so kwa church sansam phone no so on dey no nipa no eye national assignment on two case wo kɔ ne mpran bi ho no akonya accident wo mo kwa lunch program ebe magana mabuna dwuma sa dwuma no mo ye no so edisika bebre Ghana ebe ma wo a wote ha kire sansem huni wo so wabra bom be den ebe to kakra na ne obetima ka a kire ni ni a Nyankopon enfanche why
launching of the responsible cooperative mining and skills development program.
That's right. Ene yesika stabilizing nyina no yes, a gold that says a intimate smoker. Ye no, a part of it. It is a year of Mokoko yen I near Eba Boagana. And then you pack Nyasa at Ranger me. Nasa ni obey to Macania. And one.
And I just say any Kumchacha or so Kumchacha so and so and Kebia in Yigi. Now, Kumchacha, a Lucian Sama Walker, now me compare a year of any offensive Kufia Palu Sebi. Nitri won't run here. It is not nice that maybe the man there is no reason to make answer because and some of Kumchacha, a catchy Kufia Palu, Yen Semwa, a Asempa. I was saying to Kumchacha, Nhyira.
Or so for Kumchacha. She Kofia Palo, Mabodins and 3 times. Why you are from? At this will be a year who need 2. One set ye, Yakasamo Jimmy Amontias you. Yesu Kristo baby as was yadie baby yadie friend Jimmy wan saho yadie da Jimmy Yesu enya ho wanya ho kwampo no akoso obi Jimmy yadie hwase nipa mako woche awu ama nation ni nyina tesa yaboto ama wo biesu o man pani kufu okam ya papa nu nyamfo na na danko akufu adu kam. Ya papa John Mahama ekamusu. Ya papa Julius Debra ekamusu. Professor na Opoku Agyapong Vice ekam. Ama the whole nation obi ekam. Ama busu ekam ekam. Da Kofi Apollo wakwa akwagina TV ni radio so say ena John Mahama edi akuafo ne kanti odi akuafo ne kanti na helicopter no ekowura kukofuom ena eku nipa 8 ni nyina na odi akuafo kanti na enipa 8 ni wuye ne yatase won funu edi agu koko botom wanse wagime why wafro etese tea bread ato nsuom bosumi nsia wanse wagime wani pacho etese wo wa ni pilot aba wanse mo bada mo ba kiken kwasi asam sa na ye prime a da obi gina wona edi aba hwe obi wo ye mfreni agoro that no me can no be dina wo say wo kan wo fa bulldog ho bulldog ade enti osofukum chacha me kan wo efa na won say wo see Jesus a fool. That's say Jesus is a fool dia. That's what could the Yesu atama me ma wo nidi Yesu atam. Kofi Apalo je Jimmy no wa Jimmy a check. One say we say ne maame wo no na ka ne mofra brem wo wu ya. Ka ne maame be gina wana me baby a but ka wo be wi ase ka oba be ye president. Say na ne ma bi say ya Jimmy we ya. Why wa front to say obi a anwaka abona fa ne so ama ne kokobo apie. Je Jimmy no bye bye.
Alright, so we inipa for we omo reactions are and omo replies are omo de ma Kofi Akplaoo concerning nsema o kan amanfo bi even said it was insensitive. Now in the same way, yes, opinions are like noses. What's amanfo blasting Kofi say Kofi Akplaoo and can say you and say you. Ebi also is of the opinion that Kofi Akplaoo can say yes or can, but then it be a timing. And one header and timing ye and watching Emma a yaw any sooner use in Yano a water down a crown some of our can see we are and can obey me putting points across papa instead of say as we didn't crying at 2 granny and the one year sensitive nese and we consider emotions crowd. But if you also believe says we emotions every free man Kofi Akplaoo can someone Ghana Nibia and then I come as well as a can be seven. Yana yedinya to hypocrisy timi nka sa na yeyi ni ebinom opinions eno ese Kofi Akplaoo kan dey so waka and no matter the time ni emotions ni ade so waka ebinom dey no abusia eno ehonsem na yetimi edema so ensema Kofi Akplaoo ko kan ye right on the very same day incident no esi na abusia ehon ensem edi now I mean still wadwe che e comment section ho do you think ese Kofi Akplaoo or can say dey so waka do you stand with Kofi and I say you also stand against Kofi? Share or comment. Now you would also who see a comment section as make us high Phoenix Media or first time. Wait me and subscribe to channel 78 me post video with me any update me the EDC came no as so nya bre e de ma me channel on so eso